Hey guys, this is Dave welcoming you all to my channel BitBull. Today's topic, how to start investing in cryptocurrency market. What are the things you need to focus on before you start investing in it, and what do you actually need to start investing, and what is the purpose behind of all this investment which you are going to make. So before I start taking on this topic, I just want you to be clear about two things. First, ask yourself whether you are an investor or you are a trader. Let me simplify these two words for you. An investor who is only investing in a platform to get wealthy, to buy his financial freedom. On the other hand, what a trader does, suppose I'm putting 500 rupees in today's market, and at the end of the day, I'm looking forward to make it 150 or 200 rupees profit out of it. Like suppose at 7 a.m. in the morning, I'm putting 500, and by 7 a.m. in the evening or 8 a.m. in the evening, I'm hoping to make that 500 to 550 or 600, let's say 650. So that's how a trader thinks. But if you're thinking towards investing, you should follow a different story. After asking this question to yourself, once you are clear to your motive, then let's start this video. In cryptocurrency market, you would never want to trade with Bitcoin. Let me emphasize on this term Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the king of this market. You don't want to trade with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was traded for $63,000, which was its highest price, but today it's trading around $35,000. But it's going to make huge in coming days. You don't know the end price of Bitcoin. Don't forget, Bitcoin is a legal currency in El Salvador. Not only in El Salvador, the whole Copa America is looking forward to take Bitcoin as their one and only currency. So you don't know about Bitcoin end price. So from my personal opinion, you should not be trade with Bitcoin. Rest of the altcoins, you can trade with them. You can put a money on your chosen coin, then you can wait for it to give you a return, then you can just cash your money, then again wait for market to go down and put your money and again cash it when you want. I'm gonna make my next video on day trading in cryptocurrency platform. Stay tuned for that video. But today's video is particularly for how to start trading. I mean, what are the credentials you need to start trading on any platform related to cryptocurrency. So today I'm gonna give you example of two trading accounts belongs to India. One is Wazirx, second is CoindcxGo. So Wazirx is particularly for professional traders, but CoindcxGo is for beginners. But we have CoindcX Pro as well. That CoindcX Pro is in another level. I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about only Wazirx and CoindcxGo. Before you want to start trading in any of this platform, you have to have a profile in MobiKwik, because that is the only medium where you can put your cash in Wazirx or CoindcxGo anywhere, but you need to go through that MobiKwik app. Otherwise, they don't allow direct transfer from your bank to any of this wallet. But I'm hoping after this recent RBI's rules, they will start transaction through bank to your wallet. And if you want to know about those RBI rules, you can go through our channel videos. We have posted a video of RBI's rules on cryptocurrency trading in India. You will get a complete idea of all those rules and regulations from that particular video. So before you even start investing, you need to go through a KYC process to authenticate yourself. So for that KYC, you will definitely need your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and a particular phone number which is linked with your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and the bank account you're gonna use for trading. So that will be your first step. After that, once you're done with your KYC process, all of this platform gonna take 24 hours to go through your documents to give you a green signal to start investing in it. Okay, for that MobiKwik, same thing, you need to done a KYC where you're gonna need same documents. So first thing, get your MobiKwik account done, then open an account in Wazirx or CoindcxGo. I preferred for beginners to go to CoindcxGo because it has a minimum transaction fees while you are withdrawing and depositing your money to the wallet. On the other hand, in Wazirx, they definitely charge you some amount while you are depositing and withdrawing, but the transparency is in Wazirx. It's all transparent, the amount of money they are charging for trading, but in CoindcxGo, it's hidden. So that particular reason, I would prefer for long run, for heavy investment, Wazirx, but for small investment, you can always choose CoindcxGo. So after getting done with your KYC and all, okay, चलो देख लेते हैं अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट कैसे करते हैं। इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब बाय या सेल कैसे करते हैं। बाय करने से पहले आपको क्या क्या चीज नोटिस करना चाहिए, तो मैं आपको एक ट्यूटोरियल दिखा रहा हूँ। तो जस्ट आप मेरे स्क्रीन पे नोटिस कीजिए, मैं BTC खरीदना चाहता हूँ, बिटकॉइन खरीदना चाहता हूँ। तो आप सर्च ऑप्शन में जाके BTC डालिए। जैसे BTC डालते हो आप ये दोनों ऊपर का नोटिस कीजिए, एक BTC/INR, एक BTC/USDT। जो USDT है जो दूसरा टोकन है। तो अगर आप आज स्टार्ट कर रहे हो ट्रेडिंग करना तो ये आपका ऑप्शन नहीं है, आपका एक ही ऑप्शन है जो INR है। चलो इसके अंदर जाते हैं, ठीक है। अभी आप देख लीजिए, इसको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कहते हैं। बीच में जो बार्स रेड एंड ग्रीन में आप देख रहे हो उसके बारे में मैं बाद में आऊंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तो नीचे आप देखिए, नीचे के बार में आपको मिल जाएगा बाय एंड सेल Wazirx के लोगों के साथ। तो इस पे आप जब भी जाओगे तो इधर देखिए बाय का एक ऑप्शन, सेल का एक ऑप्शन। तो इधर एक अमाउंट दिखा रहा है, अमाउंट/BTC, अमाउंट/INR। तो INR पे जाइए, सोच लीजिए मैं आज चाहता हूँ कि 1000 रुपीज का एक BTC का परसेंटेज ले लो। तो आप जैसे 1000 रुपीज जाते हो, देखिए इधर अमाउंट दिखा रहा है BTC में 0.0037%। अभी आप ये चीज नोटिस कीजिए, देखिए इधर INR पे 0.06% ग्रीन पे दिखा रहा है, मतलब ये 0.06% हाई है, ठीक है। और साइड में देखिए लोएस्ट प्राइस। आप अगर लोएस्ट प्राइस में खरीद रहे हो तो ये आपका प्रॉफिट में जा रहा है। तो सोच लीजिए इधर मैं लोएस्ट प्राइस में डाला, देखिए इधर प्राइस में चेंजेस दिखा और इधर देखिए INR पे 0.024% हो गया। तो आप अगर ये लोएस्ट प्राइस फॉलो करना चाहते हो तो आपके लिए एक प्रॉफिटेबल बाय हो सकता है। उसके बाद आप जब भी बाय दबाइए, इसको स्लाइड करना होता है, बस आपका ऑर्डर हो जाता है कंफर्म। So alright guys, that's it from my side and I hope this piece of video will definitely gonna help you in many ways. Guys, stick to this channel. This channel will not only going to help you in trading in cryptocurrency market, this channel will also help you channelize your thoughts, give you a shape, give you a purpose of starting investing. So at the end of the day, share, like and subscribe our channel. Stay with us. We'll never gonna let you down in any chapter. So take care. See you around. Keep breathing.